Why does it seem like we might have a little bit of a problem here? Kabelo Hositela. My brother came on for a little bit of a cameo. Subbed on late in the second half. He ran direct at defenders, not around, direct. Doing step overs. The only way to stop him is to trip him once. Too skillful. Too skillful. Pacey winger. Yo, we might have a problem. Yeah, Pirates. Hey, Pirates, when they dig up these players. Why? When they put on that black shirt, it's a damn arena. I know it. It's a damn arena, man. This guy, from the little cameo I saw already, I'm starting to get a little bit nervous. But I'll have to see him in a few more games. But hey, from that cameo that we saw, yeah, we might be in trouble. Yeah.
ePirates basathapi labafana esinenkinga entsha inkinga entsha engakathintwa a brand new problem from the box engakavulwa
yo Booty you Booty ha inkhumbuzo usaleke bafana yo ayi quick here that's yabona lenwana with the guidance of Moremi and a police umthana anga overdo izinto 1-2 stave then I release abafana sawudlanga le khoyitsile hayi yeza bafanele izinyo eqaqambayo yo
Kabelo Hositile anganoma ngipronounce kahle but Kabelo Khosi ngizothi Khosi. What is that? Like if it's future bright lana bethi yalazi lesani ibhola bethu ifanele winger exciting ukuthi ibuke mfethu. It's giving me ama vibes osalengi like unkothe safika but it's giving me lawo ma vibes mfethu. Like right winger ePirates is terrifying to watch. Mina ngiyasaba dog. This guy is going to cook. I mean obviously kuzobele phela na ekhiphe bethi lontuza wo momentum le yaqale ngayo mfethu aqhubeke njalo. Uzoba ngena la ku BT Premiership. Uyalazi bafana. Uyalazi la ngenhla lesani le. Yes. Futhi bafana ibright man. Hey bafana.
Sanibona. Yo. Hey. Usuphelile umdlalo wePirates against Midford. Lapho sisho ukuthi 2 Orlando Pirates 0 Midford. Ebafethu lapho sibona le pairing le ya Dancing Nombatha lapha eCenter bafethu. Yo ngiyakhala bafana. Ngiyakhala lo mjida lo wemcompliment umbatha lapha. Yamcompliment bafethu and ngibona ukuthi uMakhawula bafethu uma esebuya la uzoba nenkinga uMakhawula. Ngoba lo mjida lo uyinkinga bafethu. Uyinkinga kakhulu. Ingakho element of the match la akayitholanga nje for mahala. Uyisebenzelile lo mjida lo sewubonile umsebenzi wakhe lapha amaphasi kade wayenza lapha ekhiphelo uTito ekhiphelo uMoremi oApolice lapha leya combination leya kade ihlangene lapha umbatha naye ekwazi ukuthi alande amabhola bahlanganise kahle lapha into zabo banikeze uTito banikeze uMoremi bafethu kodwa uTito bafethu kodwa akasiphume endabeni yaTito okwamanje congrats kolomjida lo bafethu udlalile kakhulu.
Opening game of the season and iOrlando Pirates isivele yavulela induku lapha esigodini kubulawa eMilford. Ayikho ke into emangazayo ngalento eyenzeke la into ebesivele silindele on paper, but we would be lying if we said this was an easy game for iPirates. In fact, they made it so hard for themselves. They almost made some costly mistakes lapha emuva, a bit of complacency in the defense. Yabo, if they were playing against a much more clinical side, iPirates bizobulawa ngenduku. But luckily for them, Milford ayikwazi capitalize. There is one thing I loved about the Pirates though in this game is that they were trying to feed their striker. They were intentional with that, especially on the first half. If you noticed, Umrami bedlala kwa right most of the time in the first half, and the intention for that is for him not to cut inside, because if he cuts inside, edlala kwa right, uzovela ngo left, which is his weaker foot. But if Ezala right, it gives him the ability to put in those crosses first time for Umbuthuma or Radiopane to capitalize as the striker. And sibonile the amount of crosses iPirates bizama ukwafaka eboxini, whether it was Usibelebele, Umremi or Dion Hoto. So they were intentionally trying to feed their striker, but unfortunately it wasn't to be. One thing Milford did so well was not allowing Orlando Pirates to play football. Because if they allowed them, they were trying their best to press. Ingago bebakomite ama-fouls amaningi on the likes of Cameron Tansin, on the likes of Tito, because they were trying so much to squeeze the pitch to make it as small as possible so that Orlando Pirates ingakwazi ukudlala. The second goal, it's a typical example of when you are 1 goal down and you're trying to push upwards to try and get that second goal. You play a high line, you leave a lot of space in behind. A team like Pirates will capitalize. Ball over the top by Usiema. Umremi makes the beautiful run and he scores that goal. Nice touch by Orlando Pirates by getting the full 3 points. Let's see what happens in the game. But in Milford, not a bad performance for first timers. Willow, we bet you a premiership.
Yeah, bafethu Orlando Pirates niyayazi vele iqhubeka la igcine khona. So lento esiyenzile bafethu akusinto emangalisayo ukuthi ungazi ukuthi wow, hayi bafethu into esijwayele. Kahle lo 2-0 lona is not enough. That's why asijabulanga kahle. Besifuna u5 or u6. Sikhombe Kaizer Chiefs hola mthuthu ukuthi iMilford ishawa kanjani.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Sanjabulela ku 3 point win enutholile. Yeah, and iso number 1 for now, but nje yeah, engifuna ukusho nje ukuthi we remain unshaken. We remain unshaken. Asina ndaba nokuthi kwenzakalani emaceleni kwethu. Thina sifocus nje kuthini on our journey. That's what we're focusing on. Not what's going on kwa next door, kwabani. Thina sifocus kuthina nje shame. Nathi sizoyiwinela ngendlela yethu. Sizozenzela nje nathi umsebenzi wethu ngendlela yethu. So we just focus, we remain unshaken. That's the word of the day. We remain unshaken. Yes, Sanjabulela, but we remain unshaken. We're not scared of anything. See, focus on your journey. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, local.
Wanna give me results are as expected, guys. This one results are as expected. You can't hate watch this kind of game. Maybe chinyane miso ibile go hate watch habsi jo go kremsha tlhogo wa tlhwantsho o lo make mala wa ngusha. Maybe chemiso we hate watch jo ba game. Moki results are as expected. Milford benjika Steve Orlando Pirates. Although they played a very good game. Outstanding performance by Milford. Abana Milford, they showed the best way to defend is to attack. Arto vale mentally tuola here Orlando Pirates are tomara namara or la sabana balata rena. Lerna rebalata da. Or stress about tobacco. And that's what Milford did. Stress Orlando Pirates too much, Milford. Angusha. As a team or they can hold one knot. Yeah, Pirates from the 25th minutes up until the 70th or 80th minutes. As malama. Engeveli team young one ngebe ixotshe bo 4-3. La di gopola discoach Pirates be di kora last season. Ngebe ixotshe bo 4-3. Abon. So judging by this game, guys, we are going to have a very competitive season. The team we are going to have a very competitive season. And there are so many players to watch out this season. The likes of Dancing ball. Hi, Dancing miracle. Dancing Spain. So guys, this season we are blind. Le Pirates is win net not against Milford is going to have an easy season. We are good. All the teams they nyaga died. They nyaga. Oh you.
Short! This is what I'm talking about. This is football. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. They're not meant to score. This is what I'm talking about. See, you see this season, I am coming with fire and brimstone. I am coming with all the whole pressure you can ever imagine. See, now, let me tell you something. Prior to this game, I told you guys, Milford City, I'm going to deal with you. I am going to deal with you. Now, who is seated first on top of the PSL table? My bomb is spending me. I sat there for almost 1 month plus, and I'm sitting on the first position now. Milford, see, I understand. It's not your fault. You're not bad. It's just that you played against a team that is way more higher than you. I understand. My own anger in this game is just that opponent scored a wonderful goal, and some people are saying that it's an own goal. So you guys cannot differentiate the difference now between
a deflection, and I don't go. Someone scored a stunner free kick. That's it. A midfield player's head. And then at the post, you said it's an own goal. Own goal. That is bitterness. That is pain. Now, with the performance of Oswanapolis in this game, no need. If I say it now, you come for me. Oswanapolis is already making his own part to win the best player of the season. I am just telling you now. I said this first game of the season. Oswanapolis will win the best player of this season. Mark it somewhere. Shani has started with a clean sheet. That is how it begins. Journey of 1,000 miles starts with just a step. I'm just telling you now for the fact.